To my channel. So today I am unboxing my Boxy Charm. So if you were interested to see what I got, then stick around. Okay guys, so today I am unboxing my Boxy Charm. I'm just going to jump right in and make this quick. This month is Boxy Bash. And on the other side of the card it tells you what all came in the box and the prices and everything. Also there's a couple coupons on the back. Yeah. So, I will tell you how much each thing is as I do it. Please excuse my appearance, like I'm hot, sweaty, my dog is sick, excuse the background, a little bit light here. Okay, so when I open my box, it's just kind of looks like this. The first thing I see in here is the matte lip gloss. It's Boxy Charm and Beauty Creations collab. This says that it retails for $10. And it's this color. And I've already swatched it. It looks like that. And that's hard to see. Let's see what's over here. Okay, and the next thing is the Aesthetica P12 face brush. And this is supposed to retail for $27. Don't see how, but okay. I do believe you can get Aesthetica brushes on Amazon fairly cheap. I've never actually used one myself, but these are pretty, I don't know. This would probably be good for literally like just bronzing. I mean, it's a little too thick, I would think, for contour, but I'm guessing that's why they put this in here, because of the other thing that is in this box. But really, this is not a good contour brush. It's just not. But bronzing, yeah, that would be good for that. And the other thing in here is this 3-piece set. And this is supposed to retail for $45. Again, this is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio. I'm not going to read all these little things here. But anyway, it has an angled liner brush, a more precise thin liner brush, and then it has a spoolie. These are like super light. Again, $45. I wouldn't buy it, but now there are people on Amazon right now that got this. Anybody can sell on Amazon, so you could put a turd in a box and sell it for $200. It doesn't mean it's worth $200. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, these are whatever. And the next thing I see, which I think kind of goes with that, is the Pretty Vulgar Gel Eyeliner. And this retails for $24. It says that it's quick drying. It has vitamin C to condition the lids. It's water resistant and stays in place all day. It's really pretty packaging. It's really pretty. It's nice and heavy too. Pretty Vulgar's packaging is always really nice. Doesn't really smell. I don't know. It has a weird, like, garage, like car maintenance garage, like, smell to it. I think it's a jar of motor oil. This is in the shade Blacklist. But yeah, this will really come in handy. And the packaging is beautiful. Like the blush packaging that came in like a couple months ago, that was really, really pretty. I like that. I still have that, actually. Okay, the next thing here is the one thing that the only thing that I was really excited to get, and it's the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And this retails for $38. Again, $38. Okay. But that's the little thingy on the top. Take it off. I like to smell things. This is like a nude. This is 1 ounce in here. Feels pretty thick, silicone based. Definitely feels like a blurring primer, you know. Doesn't really have too much of a smell to it. I guess whenever I put it on my face, I'll know if there's a smell. But yeah, definitely does have like a blurring effect to it. There's no way you're going to be able to see that, but... And it definitely has that, like, smooth feel. So I could see this filling in, you know, your pores. And, I mean, it does blur. So that's pretty cool. This is the thing I was really anxious for. And the last thing in here is the Pure Sculptor palette. And this is what it looks like. Now, let me see, I'll try to swatch these two. You can really see that. That is the highlighter. And I don't know what they were thinking, sending these colors out, but here are the, just like the eyeshadow palette. I'm sorry. I mean, I don't really mean to complain. Well, yes, I do. But those are the two colors of the contour part. Obviously, they're pretty darn dark. So, if you have light skin, you're going to want to use, like, a heck of a light hand. Like, a light baby hand. Or just give it to someone who has a darker skin tone. But yeah. That's everything that was in the Boxy Charm. And mine says Variation 2. I guess the only difference this month is either you got the Han, I think that's it, Han, or you got the Beauty Creations Lippy. And there's a couple different colors that you get too. So, yeah, this retails for $30. There's a coupon code on here for Cover FX. If you use the code BOXY, then you get 20% off your next purchase on Cover FX. And Pure, you get 15% off if you use the code Boxy May. Yeah, so, and guys, that's everything. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I don't think I've ever did a Boxy Charm video. Usually I just do it in a live. But I figured, hey, let's do it in a video, because I haven't put one out in a little bit. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button below and the bell. That way you're notified of any of my future uploads. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for all your support. Love you guys. See you next time.